Hello everyone, it's me, Louis Corpuz. We're going to get the JNT delivery for my wife. It's 67 pesos because the deliveries are not allowed here in Camp Allen because it's a camp. We have to go down to get it in the gate. So let's go. So we're going down. That's SM Baguio. We're just near. So here the sun is shining. The weather is so nice. Okay. That's Session Road. I think it's closed again for cars, just for people. There's a lot of people there. Okay, so but we're not gonna go there today. Just gonna go here down. We're gonna get the Shopee package. At this nice plants. That again, look at this very big tree. It's probably very old. So this is the chapel where I always go and pray. Thank you so much, Lord. Bless us all. Going up to the superintendent's quarters. We're going down the gate. It's the gate. We're going here. And that's just Shopee. They are giving. That is where we get our delivery. And this is it. Shopee Express. We're going back to the house. This is the package. We're going up there again. We have a nice, like a mini forest here in Camp Allen. That right there is SM. Let's go. Okay, we're going up again. Going home. The sun is shining and it's a little windy, so it's nice. At that. That's me. the package. This is 96.7 K Live radio station. We're going here. Look at those very tall pine trees. During the typhoon, some of the trees fell down, so they have to clear it.